Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Tehzib sir, and today I am going to teach you new exercise. But before starting our any sessions, exercise what to do. Attention here properly, all students, and sit properly. And then you what to do? You are taking your book, whatever. Okay, any book you are taking with during lecture. Students, so I hope you are taking book with you. Understood, all students? So first of all, let's check here today's quote. What is today's quote? Now let's check here. So quote is, be observed with your own potential. It means what? Be observed. We have observed with your. We have some energy potential. We have do something we want. Okay, what? Our parents and our teacher is always telling you have potential, you have energy, you always win, you can do it properly, you can do. Okay, so that's why students, you always check your potential in yourself. Own potential means ourself, our body. Okay, so now students, I hope you all are understood, and then I hope you remember what we have done in last lecture. So students, in last lecture we have done a revision exercise and exercise number 30. Okay, which chapter? Exercise number 30, revision. Question number 2, find the product and multiplying by 3-digit number. Example of 0 in factor. These things are left. Okay, students, examples of 0 in the factors, this topic are left. So students, I hope you remember last topic, multiplying by 3-digit number. Of multiplying by 3-digit number only we are learn example number 1 and 2 into example number 2 also. In example number 2 only we are learn step 2, step number 1 and step number 2. Okay, so now students, today we are going to learn a revision of last lecture, multiplying by 3-digit number and example of 0 in factor, then exercise number 30, and then question number 1, multiply. Understood? Again I'll repeat you, revision of last lecture, multiplying by 3-digit number, then after example of 0 in the factors and exercise number 30, then question number 1st, multiply. So today we are going to learn new topic, example of 0 in the factor and then exercise number 30. Okay, so now let's check here, do the revision of last lecture, previous lecture. Okay, so students, now we check here multiplying by 3-digit number. Okay, multiplying by 3-digit number. Example of multiplying by 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Okay, so a particular kind of fish lays about 200 eggs at a time. Okay, a particular kind of fish particular kind of fish lay about 200 eggs at the time. At the time, fish, different kinds of fish, particular kind of fish lays about 200 eggs at a time. So how many eggs will be laid by 456 such a fish? Understood, all students? Example number 1. Okay, this all example we are understand by which method? Word problems. Okay, here we are understand by word problems. You using of understand the word problem. So what is the first step? Read the question and understand the problems. So what is the problems? A particular kind of fish lays about means fish lays as like that, a chicken lay egg, or some animal, some birds lays egg. So fish also lay egg. So here a particular kind of fish lays egg. About how many eggs is a lay at a time? 200 eggs at a time. So how many egg will be laid by a 456 such a fish? Got my point, all students? A particular kind of fish lay about 200 eggs at a time, and how many eggs will be laid by 456 such fish? Got my point, all students? Now we do here. What is here information? 200 eggs. 200 egg lay about one fish at a time, and how many eggs will be laid by 400 fish? We have to find this question. So 456 multiply by 200. Okay, 456 fish will be laid. So in per fish, in one fish lays 200. So we are multiplying here 456 multiply by 200. Got my points? What? 456 multiply by 200. Okay, I hope you all are understood. And again, one more thing, students, you should be right with me. This I'll give you time. Okay, now you write this question and then you write a answer with me. Okay, one more thing here, students. Whenever we are solving here any sums, especially multiplication or division, we always remember the table. Okay, what I am told you in previous last before lectures, I am told you what? Anyhow, students, you are learn the table. Understood? Anyhow, you learn the table. So, and one this notice you have keep it in mind. See always. Okay, whenever you are solving a multiplying by 3-digit number, and that time down 3 digits are coming to 0. So these notes are very important and very useful to us. Got my points? So students, now you have to write in your rough book. Otherwise you have to write in your fair book, but where beside the example number 1. Okay, so now you write, put a 20 at the end and then a multiply by 2. Put a 20. How many 0? 20. As a one mathematical rules also, and other these two both 0. Okay, whenever we are multiplying by 3-digit number, so we are putting a 20. Put a 20 always, and then multiply by 2. This 2. 200 out of this 2. Got my point, all students? So first of all, we put this 20 here. 2 6 are how many, all students? 2 6 are 12. So 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. 2 6 are 12 and 1 is as top side of upside of 5. So as a 1 is carry form and 2 is here. Then after 2 5 are 10. 10 plus this 1. So how many? 11. 10 plus 1 means 11. So 1 here and again 1 carry on top of 4. Understood? Then after 2 4s are 8. And don't forget to count this carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus this 1 carry. 9. Got my point? So 9 we should be right. So answer is what? 91,200. What? 91,200. So what should be right here? Answer. What should be right here, and how can we write the answer? And we write as like that: the fish will lay 91,200 egg in all. What? The fish will lay 91,200 eggs in all. Understood, all students? Now we move on. Example number 2. I hope you remember example number 2 we have done, but again I'll repeat you. Yesterday I was very faster explained you. Okay, so fast explain you. So now I'll again repeat you slowly. Okay, keep it in mind, all students. Some points and some notice. Okay, this both step, multiply by ones and multiply by tens, this both point you are keep it in our mind. Example number 2, a team of 364 scientists. One team is there, and in one team 364 scientists are there. So who were studying the habits of ocean creators. Ocean creator, you know all students what is the ocean. I hope you all are know what is the ocean. Ocean creators habitat, those animals are live in ocean, it's called ocean habits creators. And again I'll repeat you, a team of 364 scientists who were studying the habits of ocean creators spent about 123 hours each underwater. What spent about 123 hours each underwater. Those scientists, 364 scientists, are spent in underwater, and they work at a time which hour, how many hours they working 123 hours in underwater. And how many hours in all did they spend in underwater? Okay, so how many hours in all did they spend underwater? Got my point all students? Here are both digits, 364 multiply 123, 364 multiply by 123. Understood? So here do the step 1 and then after do step 2. Step number 1 is what? Multiply by 1. Always we are follow the chapter number 1. Ones, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so here first of all ones, then after 10. So step number 1 is what? Multiply by tens and then multiply by ones and multiply by tens. Got my point all students? First of all what we do here multiply by ones and then multiply by tens. Got my point all students? 364 multiply by 123. So what to do here all students? We do here multiply with first 3. What? Here we break 120. Okay, so what to do here? Here we are break first okay, I hope you remember first of all this down digit we are break up. Okay, so how can we break up digit 123? How can we break up? First of all we break up this both digit 23 we are break up. How can we break up 23? So 20 plus 3 as like that. Understood? 20 we break up as like that, 20 plus 3, 20 into 3 it means 20 plus 3. So 3 here and the first 3 multiply by 364. So 4 3s means 3 4s 3 4s 12. So 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 3 6 18 plus this 1 carry 19. So 9 here and 1 as form of carry. Then after 3 3s are 9 plus this 1 carry, 19 of this 1 carry. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So we should be right at 10. So answer is what? 1092. Answer is what? 1092. Then after step number 2. Step number 2 is what? 364 multiply by with 2 means 20. So 20 means 2 0. So this 20 of 1 0 we are put here. 192 we are got of this multiplication. Okay, understood? So now we do here 364 multiply by 2 means 20. We do 1 by 1 20. So 20 out of this 0 we are put here. 20 out of 0 we are put here. Got my point all students? And then now 364 multiply by 2 because of this 20 out of this 0 of 20 of this 0 we are putting here. Then 4 2s how many? See this 2 4s are 4 2s are. So we do multiply by 2 4s. 8. Then 2 6 are how many? 12. So 2 4 are 8 and 6 2 6 are 2 6 are 6 2 are 12. So 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 3 3 2s are or 2 3s are 6 plus this one carry. So 7. So what we got here answer 7280. 7280, which answer but 364 multiplied by 20 is equal to 7280. Now what to do? Now one more digit is multiplied with a left. So now third step is what? Multiplying by 100. See, now third step is what? Multiplying by 3. We have done this. We have now see 364 multiplied by 3 is done here. So answer is what? 1902. 364 multiplied by 20. So multiply by what? Multiply by hundreds. Understood? Multiply by hundreds. So I hope you all are understood. Okay, first of all we multiply by ones, multiply by tens, and then after all students multiply by hundreds. What to do first? 364 multiply by 3, then 364 multiply by 20, and now 364 multiply by 100. 123. How can we break up? 100 plus 20 plus 3. We are break as like that. So now we do step number 3. What is the step number 3? Step number 3 is multiply by 100, and then step number 4 is add. Okay, we got a different answers. Now see, we are do this type of phase. How can we break a 123? So 123 we are break a last one. 3, then 2 is place of 10, so 20, and 1 is place of 100, so we put a hundreds as like that. 123 we are break up. Okay, and one by one 364 multiply by 3, 364 multiply by 20, and now we do 364 multiply by 100. Got my point all students? So now we do 364 multiply by 100. So 100 of 20 we are putting as it is. 100 of this 20 we are putting as it is. Okay, and then we do the multiplication. 364 multiply by 1. Why 1? Because of 20 I'll put here. Understood? So 1 4 is 4. Okay, I hope you remember one thing. If any number you are multiply with 1, so number itself. I hope you remember this note, and now you note down in your rough book. Okay, again I am speaking you. I am saying 1. If any number you are multiply with 1, any number you are multiply with 1, so multiplication itself. Understood? So now see here, 1 4 is 4, 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3. So we got answer 36,400. What we got here answer? 36,400. Got my point all students? Now step number 4 is left only. So step number 4 is what all students? Add all things. 2 plus 0 plus 0 as it is 2. Then after 9 plus 8. Okay, so 17 we do in a small calculation. You are doing with me in your book all students. 9 plus 8 how many? 17. 7 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 1 carry plus 2 3, and the 3 and this 4. 3 plus 4 how many? 7. Got my? So we write here 7. Then after 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 6, so 14. 4 here and 1 is a form of carry. Then after 3 plus carry 1, so 4. So answer is what? 44,772. What we got here answer? 44,772. Understood? One by one we do the all step. Okay, as like we are solve the exercise number third equation number 1 2 3 4. Okay, this type of all example, all question are coming in exercise, so we do as like this type of step. Keep it in mind, all students. Okay, so 44,772. Answer is that the team of scientists spent 44,772 hours underwater studying the habits of ocean creatures. I hope you all are understood. Now, students, is new topic, example with zero in the factor. What example? Example with zero in the factor, because of see here factors, these all are 524270, these all are factor, and this down digit 141480 is our product. Okay, the question is called what in a multiplication factor, and answer is what? Product. So students, example with zero in factor. So now these all factors in coming the zero, see this zero. So how can we solve? So here is they give a trick. Okay, so what to do here? This zero we are multiply with all digit. 0 4 is 0. Any number multiply with 0. So answer is 0. Okay, 0 4 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 7 is 0, 0 2 is 0. So this step is not required. What? This step is not required. Directly we do the table, we broke first of all. Okay, 0, any number we are multiply with, see 5 here. What to do in a further sum? Okay, what to do in before sum? We are break up the number. I will teach you as like that. We break up the number. 524 we are not breaking here, break up here. Here we are break up a number 270. How can we break up 70? 0. First of all we break up a what? Ones, then tens, and then hundreds. So here is a place of ones. What is a place of ones here? Here a place of ones is 0. So 0. Okay, directly we have to move on a 10. So 10 is here 17. See, 17. Then after 200. 200 is what? 200 as it is. That is a 100 place. 17 and 100. So 0 we are putting as it is, and then after 524 multiply by 7. Okay, 7 4 is how many, all students? 28. So 2 is a form of carry and 8 here, and then after 7 2 is 14. 14 plus carry 2. 14 plus 2, 15 and 16. 6 here, and again 1 carry. Then after 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 1 carry 36. So what we got here? Answer 36,680. 524 multiplied by 17 is equal to 36,680. I hope you all are understood. If you have any doubt, you must be ask the question, but where or when? As on Google form. Okay, Google Meet on Saturday. Your turn is coming on this Saturday. So you ask the question, sir, this sum is not I can not properly doing, I forgot. Whatever you have a problem, you tell me, all students. Got my point, all students? 524 multiplied by 70 is equal to 36,680. Now we multiply with a 200. So 200 of this both 0 we are put as it is. So I'll put here both 0, and then now I multiply 524 multiply by 2. So 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So 10,400, 104,800. Now we do here the multiplication, 0 plus 0. Now we are only see this both step. This step is not required. So this 0 step is not required. Understood? So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus this 1 carry, 11. So 1 here and 1. 3 plus 1 carry, 4. and then 1 as it is. So 1,41,480. Answer is what we got. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1 digit, 2 digit, tens, 100, and then place is 1000, and this place is 10,000, and then 6 digits. So how many? It's called a what all students? What we called is place of lakh. 6 digit is place of lakh. So what we call 1,41,480. I hope you all are understood. Now example number 2 of example number 2, but with example of 0 in the factor. Okay, so as a same example, 378 multiplied by 406. So we break up the 406. Here we are 6. What to do here? We are multiply a 6. First of all we are break up 406. So here one by one we are break up all numbers. 6 is a 1 place, 10 place is 0. So what to do? This 0 place we are not multiplying. Okay, and then after 4 is which place? 400 place, means 100 place. Okay, so we do one by one all step, all students. First of all 378 multiplied by 6. 378 multiplied by 6. Now we do 6 8 is how many all students? 6 8 is 48. 8 here and 4 is a form of carry here. 6 8 is 48. 8 here and 4 is a form of carry. And then after 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4, this carry. Okay, so 42 plus 43, 44, 45 and 46. So 46, so 6 here and 4 is a form of carry. Then after we should be right here 6 and 2. Then after 6 3s are how many? 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So answer is what? 378 multiplied by 6 is equal to 2268. Then after multiplication with 0, 378 multiply with 0. So 0 8s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 3s are 0 and 0 4s are 0. So this step is not required. What? This step we are not writing because of 0 multiply all, then all places are come 0. That's why we are not writing okay, that's why we are not do this step. See these instructions, this step is not required. Then after we are multiplication with 400. 378 multiply by 400 with 400. So out of 400, this both 0 we are put as it is. Out of 400, 378 multiplied by 400. So this both 0 we are put as it is, and then 378 multiplied by 4. Okay, so now 4 8s are 32. 2 here and 3 is a form of carry here, and then 7 4s are how many all students? So 4 8s are 32. 2 here and 3 is a form of carry, and then 4 7s are 28. 28 plus this carry 3. So 29, 30 and 31. So 1 here and 3 again form of as a carry, and 4 3s are 12. 12 plus this 3 carry. So 13, 14 and 15. So here 15. So what should be right here? 1,51,200. So now we do here the addition. We write here all things as a form of this format. Okay, and then we have a write here as like that. Then we do the add. Okay, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 6, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 as it is, 1 as it is. Understood? So answer is what? How many digits are here? 6 digits. So 1,53,468. Okay, what is we got answer here? What we got here answer all students? 1,53,468. What all students? 1,53,468. I hope you all are understood. Okay, so students, example number 3 and exercise number 3E we are check in a next session because of we have no more time. So this all example 2 times you have a write in your rough book now. So after complete my I'm completing my lecture here, and you students all do this all example in your fair book. Understood? Sorry, examples in your rough book, no need to write in your fair book. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now one more thing students, let's stay home, let's stay safe. I hope you all are understood. Let us stay at home and stay safe. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all students.